If you're still unsure of how to submit the assignment, I'm in student view, and so I'm going to show you how to submit this assignment. It's for my child development class, but it won't matter if you're in foods, foods 1, foods 2, it's all the same process. So click on the assignment, and then you're going to go up here to this blue box that says submit assignment, and you'll see that down below you have 4 tabs to choose from. I want you to submit it through the Google Drive LTI 1.3. So click on that. It will say submit your work, and then it should say your name with your school Google credentials. Right, so you can see Michelle Smith, and there's my school Google credentials. I'm going to go select file, and the second screen will take you to your drive. So then you're going to go to your drive and you're going to find the assignment that you need to upload. So for example, for child development, it is the Unit 3. If it's foods, it's one of the nutrition workbooks or food prep workbooks. So find the file, you're going to click on it and then say add. And then it's just going to ask, do you want to attach this file? Click attach. All right, then the screen's going to kind of change and it's going to tell you what file you're attaching. So you can see it's CD Unit 3, Child Development Unit 3. If that's not the right file, you click change, go back to your Google Drive. It will just automatically take you there. Find the file, click add and attach, and then click submit assignment. All right, and that's all you have to do to submit the things that we do within Google. All right, if you have any questions, please email me or just message me on Canvas. I'll be at my computer for the school day throughout the soft closure, so just let me know and I'll respond to you as soon as I get your message. Thanks. Bye.